A key piece of this puzzle of Tech Central and of an innovation district is, how do you make innovation visible? And that was something that we put a lot of thought into. And so the space here behind me used to be the co-op bookshop. So if you're an emerging student, new to the university, you come here, you get your books, be ready to study in the university next door. As that's become entirely digital, this space didn't have the same purpose anymore. So we've converted this to be our frontage for where startup activity happens. So as you can see, my friend Man is sitting up at the moment for tonight's Friday night meetup. And so we really wanted to bring innovation on display, because too often innovation is something that happens elsewhere. It happens in dark rooms or different corners. Whereas, here we are at literally now the busiest street corner in Sydney, the corner of Broadway and Harris. And this is where we tell a story, and we make this visible to all of the community around us that innovation happens here. And it's something that you can be a part of. And so we're running programs like the Rapid Value Creation Program, which is giving people tools of how they start a side hustle. Because not everyone is going to build an Atlassian, but they are going to build a side hack. They're going to do some drop shipping. They're going to work out some kind of opportunity or project to work on. And this is a place that makes that visible.